Alright, I'm about to make my grandmother, well actually my great-grandmother, roll over in her grave once again. And I'm only doing this because this is what I grew up on. My great-grandmother used to spend hours making pierogies. Remember how she did it, but I could go to the dollar store and buy pierogies. These are defrosted. You defrost them because they just cook faster. The bad thing is they stick together and you want to make sure you don't break the pasta on them. This is basically pasta filled with potatoes. And these little pieces, we want to get rid of them. This is my pierogi pan. I bought it just for pierogies. I know, meat and vegetable, meat and vegetable, meat and vegetable. Well, every once in a while I like to make pasta. Every once in a while I like to make pierogies. I don't do it that often. Now if you notice, they all fit around the perimeter. Alright, perfect. I got these are from the dollar store. This is not from the dollar store. I actually got it for $1 though. Put these in the center. So I'll leave them right in the center. I took these, defrosted these also. As you can see, some moisture's dripping out. And then I squeezed them and tried to get out all the moisture I possibly could. Now, tonight I think we want a little extra butter. Normally we do take 2 tablespoons and that's all you need. But tonight I want extra butter. It's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. How do you know it's 3 tablespoons? Hold, wait for it. Actually, those are big tablespoons, but if you look, that's a tablespoon. You want to place these directly on top. What's going to happen as this heats up, all that butter is going to melt down through those onions and get flavored. More flavored by the onions than with the peppers. Alright, pause for the cause. You want to turn this on a flame, you can go high, you can go low. Me, I prefer turning it real low and cooking, making sure the flame doesn't exceed there. You want to heat this area. This will heat gradually. Alright, had it on a high for about 5 minutes, then turned it down for about 5. You can actually hear that. That's good enough. Oops, a little hot. You want to flip them all over. Actually, it's easier from this side. Ow. Very hot, so be careful. Notice all of a sudden, what? There's a lot more room in here. And this is what caused my great-grandmother to roll over in her grave, that I can make pierogies better than she did for $1. Poor woman. Spent a lot of time, ow, making these. Alright. Now I'm going to do it low and slow. Medium heat. Hold on. had some leftovers from last night. Didn't know what to do with them. Throw them in the mix. Won't put this in the title, but... Ooh, you know something? Last minute. We're going to throw some mushrooms in here. So we'll drain them, put them in here, and then... Quick pause for the cause. Alright, took a jar of dollar store mushrooms and we threw those into the mix. And we drained all the moisture out of the mushrooms. If you go into a pizzeria, watch them make a mushroom pie, they always take the moisture out of the mushrooms before they throw them on the pizza. They're stored in liquid. Usually they come in 1 gallon cans. Alright, we're going to put this on medium flame and let it cook for like 15 minutes. As you already heard, those are golden. Pause for the cause. Alright, I did 5 minutes. Whoa! Look at that. 5 minutes on medium and then 5 minutes on high. Ready? Notice that Bernie's going on right now. Alright. As you can see, we got a much darker color off of those. We want, ready? Listen to how hard those are. Want to flip them all over. Now it doesn't matter anymore. They've shrunken. That Bernie is what gives it that serious yummy, because after we're done, we're now going to start scooping our veggies on top. Oops, don't want to flip that one. My poor great-grandmother is drooling right now, wishing she was here in the flesh to eat this. I actually overcooked this just for one reason: aesthetics. I want you to see the blackened parts. One meal that I haven't done is Brussels sprouts in blackened onion butter. I take the onions right before they become burnt, and they just became caramelized and lightly black. And I do Brussels sprouts with bacon bits. Alright, there we go. Alright, I have a flat surface. Some chefs will tell you that that is how you crack an egg. I don't have my cooking show yet, so I'll tell you right now, nope. I've cracked thousands of eggs and I don't get shells in them. So what I'm doing, I know it works. Pause for the cause. Oops, forgot a step. Got to spray the pan because you don't want the eggs to stick. Alright, now we're ready to rock and roll. And there you go. Leave it on low. And voila. Feed a family of 4 or just me. I overeat every night of my life. I'm sorry, I can't help it. But that's the way it is. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. I'm going to put it on a medium heat. Cover it up. Advertising my pierogi pan. Alright, during the filming of me making my pierogies, sorry great grandma, the first of the Borg. If you didn't know it, my great grandmother was the first Borg on this planet, or one of the first Borg. She had a pacemaker. That's how you know the eggs are done. Step to the outside, look. We got perfectly caramelized pierogies, and then we recooked them again. Oops. No, Actually, it didn't fall. Better than an Egg McMuffin, trust me. I ate way too many Egg McMuffins growing up. Oops, sorry, McDonald's. You're dealing with my great-grandmother. She used to call me Jimmy Boy, Jimmy Boy. This is so much healthier. Oh wait, I can't endorse this, but this tastes so much better than an Egg McMuffin. Only thing that's missing is the ham. Oh wait, there's a couple pieces right there. I had some leftovers from last night. A lot of my peeps like to see what I cook for dinner, and here you go. This is my dinner. Let's see, less than $5. And this will feed probably more than one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or be an accompaniment to a meal. Alright, we're good to go. Whoops, something hit the table. Give it a taste. Piece of egg. Leftover. Somebody I know calls this, oh, it's horrible, it's yucky food, disgusting, yucky. That's my dinner. Love you.